back from the flight. Everything went well. Thank you for asking. Buenos dias, muchachos. I'm on my way to work right now, but when I get home this afternoon or this evening, the plan is to hang that up on the wall right over there. So I was a little bit cold inside in my office, so I decided to come outside and try to warm up in the sunshine, but a little deceiving because it's only about 50 degrees out here. But the sun is shining, so that's nice. So I'm trying to film a little bit with my new iPhone just to see if it makes any difference. That GoPro, it picks up the wind noise really bad. So even if there's just a slight breeze, it sounds like it's a hurricane. So this is day 5 of my 9-day stretch. And, you know, with a limited number of days when I'm working 7 days straight or 9 days straight, it's easy to count down. You know, I almost do like the link chain, cut a link off each day. Not quite that extreme, but definitely counting down the days. But it's completely different than the job in Louisiana, where it felt like all I did was work. It was just Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. Weekends were generally not long enough to really recoup. Go back on Monday not really feeling all that refreshed. Felt like it was just the daily grind, just the forever perpetual marathon. And here it feels more like a sprint. You know, it feels like 7 days, I can make that. I can work for 7 days and then I get 7 days off. So it's been pretty nice. I'm really enjoying it. Hopefully you guys find some way to keep balanced as well. So we got these new iPhone XSs, and since we were in the dark ages with our old phones, they were like 6 years old, 7 years old. We are pretty excited about the new slow-mo video feature. So we've been taking some slow-mo videos and we want to share them with you. They're pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna take a few minutes and hang up my new wooden American flag that I made. But first, because I'm gonna hang it right up there on the wall. But first I need to move the side-by-side, the bicycles, and the four-wheeler out of the way. But I'm gonna grab some hardware first. Grab that right there. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, awesome. It's done already. Must be a magic toolbox. I think it looks pretty good. I wish every project was that easy. Man, that was nice. So I wanted to show you this hilarious text conversation I had with Letty yesterday. When I was at work, I saw this video of a guy using a flamethrower that you can buy from a company called X Products. And I think I need one. I sent Letty a text right here with a link to the website saying, "Can I buy one, please?" She asked, "What is it?" And so I sent her a picture of what it was, but at the same time she went to the website and she was looking, and she texted back this picture of this lady enjoying herself, and she said, "This'll be me." which made me laugh out loud. Then she even came back and said, it's only $5.99. Got the best wife ever. I love that girl. Yeah. We're just killing some time. Kira is next door in her gymnastics class, and it's got 22 more minutes. Killing time is dangerous though, because it normally costs money.
Yes.
So what are the helmets for?
So my kids can start riding bikes.
Where?
School?
Yes. You don't have to get up and take them anymore.
Oh, no.
Lazy bums get their butts to school.
They make their own lunch. They can ride to school too. Right?
Absolutely. I don't know what it is about adult onesies. Every time I see one, I want one. The skull and crossbones onesie. I like it. Only 15 bucks. Whatever. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Okay, come on, show. I thought you were gonna go on the trampoline. Oh, well, whatever you want. But you better hurry because they're gonna get started. Okay. Oh, nice job. Pretty awesome. Try again. Problem is you're facing the wrong direction. You're coming this way. Oh, so close. One more try. Oh, so close. We're on top of the roof at University Medical Center, Tucson. Wind is kind of blowing up here, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not. Probably be a lot of wind noise, but it's about the 8th floor or so. Let me spin this camera around and give you a shot. Here we are. We got a flight late in the afternoon. I was about an hour from getting off work, and we got a call, so I'll be going home a little bit late tonight. But we got to fly. 1 day left, so today is Wednesday. I got just 1 day left on this 9-day stretch, and then I'm off for a week. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I am on my way to work for day number 9 of this 9-day stretch. So this is my last day, so I am excited to get through this day and then have a week off. We've got a lot of exciting stuff planned for my time off. I imagine we'll make 2 videos next week because we got a lot going on. Today when I get to work, we have another PR flight. We will be flying to the local college, Eastern Arizona College here in Thatcher. They've got a health fair. And so I don't know the exact details of the health fair, but I do know that all of the 4th graders from the whole Gila Valley, from Pima, Thatcher, Safford, I imagine Duncan, Morenci, I don't know. All the 4th graders have field trips to the health fair at the college. And so we're gonna be there. We're gonna take the helicopter as a static display, and I don't know what else. But I happen to have 2 4th graders. Both Hudson and Kira are in 4th grade, so I will get to see them there. So they're pretty excited about that. I'm pretty excited about that. So up here just past this gas station is EAC, where I'll be landing in the parking lot right behind those buildings right there. All right, guys, I am done. I've finished my 9th day. I am just pulling into our street and I'm off for the next week. Over the last 9 days, I spent 108 hours at work. And of those 108 hours, I flew for about 4.5. So I spent a lot of time just sitting around. Got a lot of homework done, got a lot of schoolwork done, got some other things done, some studying. And but I'm looking forward to this week off. When I get home, we've got to start packing to go camping. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It was kind of a mishmash of a lot of different activities and kind of what life is like. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.